Yo, how is it going, guys? Avery here, bringing you all a brand new video. Today is a very special video. We do have a surprise waiting for us in Houston. I am currently right outside of the gates here at the airport. I'm about to book a flight from Dallas to Houston, and my teammate, my good friend Johnson, out here gave me a ride from the apartment to the hotel. So now we're about to get on the flight. I'll see you guys in Houston. Yeah, so I'm walking to my gate right now. The reason why we're going to Houston is because I dropped my car over at a friend's wrap shop. They're wrapping my car. Guess what, guys? It is ready. It's a surprise. They didn't want to let me know what color it was. They didn't send me Snapchats, even though I asked them how is it looking. They wanted to keep it secret, so today is that secret reveal. Let's go. We just touched ground here in Houston, Texas. As you guys can see right there, that sign, Houston. So my friend, one of the guys who works at the shop, he's about to pick me up right now. So let's go say what's up. I was trying to let my friend know where to pick me up from, and it turns out that I'm at the wrong airport, that he did not know that I was at this hobby airport. So now we have to wait like 20-30 minutes. Oh my goodness. All right, so my friend just arrived early in his wrap car. Hey, Ricky, my God, I'm sorry for what happened. You gotta do a reroute. Man, I can't believe I gave him the wrong airport. I don't know. I need to do better, but hey, so right now we are on the way to where?
Back to AURI auto styling shop.
And we'll see you there. So I'm currently here at the studio, AURI Auto Styling. I'm waiting for my car. They're touching it up. They are fixing it, you know, making it look nice and good. I'm sitting here. I cannot wait to take a look at it. My friends have hyped it up completely. They're saying it looks amazing, so can't wait to check it out.
They told him not to pee.
That's my cameraman. Give me a high five.
Reveal the special guest. We have Avery, people's player for Complexity. Good buddy of mine and Ricky's known him for quite a while, so it's actually been his car. We haven't let him see anything. All he's seen is just black and white footage just off of Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, stuff like that.
Yeah, yo, I'm excited. Like, I've been waiting. I said in the Instagram post, you know, like, I'm just so excited to see it because, like, the Instagram post is black and white. Now we're about to see the color. This sun, cannot wait. Been waiting, like, probably 4 days, 3 days. They've been taking care of my vehicle. They've been sending me snippets, telling me that it looks good. So it'll be time to take a look at it.
All right, guys, so let's head outside. We're going to have Ricky pull it out, and I'm going to see what Alan thinks about it.
Let's do it.
Come on, man. Let's check out the car. See what's going on here. Big moment right here.
It's right there. Whoa! What? What? This is my car. The Complexity logo as well. Yo, this is... You guys did this. You guys did this. You did this. Look at this. They actually customized the BMW logo from white and baby blue to red carbon fiber.
We did a little bit different. Normally we do stuff in Boston. Most people put on top. This one is actually the carbon laid underneath it with the red on top. And it actually, I feel like it looks a lot cleaner.
It does, and it gives it like personalization, like customization. We have Avi, the car, my name, it's on the car. Check this out, AURI Auto Styling. You guys need to come here. You guys really need to come here. If you guys want to get your car looking some type of way, something different. These two guys, all your guys, Ricky, Austin, highly recommend. It looks amazing, like this is crazy. It doesn't feel real. It feels like so different. It feels like I just got a brand new car, basically. It's crazy.
Blow your expectations, or?
Absolutely did. Honestly, you guys did an amazing job. It looks amazing. Honestly, you guys crushed it. I highly recommend anyone to come get their cars wrapped. It doesn't have to be a full wrap. It can be whatever. These guys will kill it. It looks really good, very clean, very professional. Highly recommend. killed it. He picked the color. My friend Ricky right here. You know, if you guys don't know, I tore my ACL first. Whenever I tore it the first time, the second day, the next day, right after, he tore his ACL as well, unfortunately. So we're both ACL buddies, but man, he came through with the color. He's the one who selected this Satin Chrome Red. Satin Red Chrome, however you guys want to say it. It looks amazing, definitely does, especially in the sunlight. Oh my goodness, enough of me. More of the car, you guys want to see it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Check these guys out, social media. I'll be sure to link the website down below in the description. They are based in Houston, so come show them some love over here at their shop. Book yourself an appointment and they'll get you taken care of. Enough of me, enough of the car. The creators of this masterpiece right here, my friend Ricardo and the one and only Austin Rios.
Hey man, so pretty much we're out here in Rosenberg, Texas, the Houston area. You can find us on our social medias. Everything is Instagram, Facebook. It's gonna be AURI Auto Styling, our website, auriautostyling.com. We even got our own merch, Retro Tokyo, if you want to help support the shop and everything like that. We got everything from hoodies, shirts. We also got AURI Auto Styling decals and lanyards, all the nice stuff, man. So you can shoot us an email, DM on Instagram, find us on Facebook, anything like that. And yeah, guys, swing on by.
We all go way back if you guys don't know. I went to kindergarten, elementary school with Austin. And then I played soccer with Ricky. Literally, I told you guys we tore our ACLs literally on the same weekend. Pretty crazy, we go back and now they're out here doing some amazing work over here. So make sure you guys check these two guys out. Everything will be linked down below in the description.
And so for the AURI Auto Style experience, if you want to get a full wrap, get you a keychain, lanyard, and any of our customers, as long as they get something done, it could be detail or wrap, anything like that, the decal of your choice, man.
Look at that. Amazing. Definitely gonna be using it. So that's awesome. The AURI experience. You guys come and experience it, man. Look at the sun hitting on this wrap, yo. But here's the car. Let's sort of give you guys a tour of all of the customization. You guys can see it is Satin Red Chrome. You look at the grille. We have the M Sport colors right here, but most importantly, we have the carbon fiber finish right here, wrapped here. The AURI shop looks so good, complements the entire car. We have the customized BMW logo. Red carbon fiber looks super good. Move over this way, we see the carbon fiber little design right here that complements the red. Not only that, I play for Team Complexity gaming organization. They have it engraved into the car itself and it just looks so good. It adds a sort of customization, some style to it. We have the carbon fiber mirrors as well. They're looking fantastic. It just complements it. You guys can see the sort of pattern, the grille, carbon fiber, also carbon fiber roof. And then as you guys can see the little tail right here, it has the red. And then this is one of the things that I really like, talking about the customized experience. It says Avery right here, so everyone knows that Avery is in the car. You know, this is the Avery wagon. You can see the same thing, the BMW design logo, customized. The handles black, so we have that black on red style going on. The outline, the window, black as well. As you guys can see, it just complements each other. It just looks really good. The color scheme to this car is really nice. Obviously, I'm gonna probably add some different rims, some black rims to just make it look even better. Tint the windows. So just stay tuned. Looking amazing. From front to side to back. Amazing. If you guys made it this far into the video, I want to say thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed the content. None of this would have been possible, from the car to wrapping the car, without your guys' continued support. So I want to say thank you. If you guys enjoyed the vlog, drop a big thumbs up. It takes like 2 seconds, guys. It lets me know that you guys want to see some more vlogs in the future. If you want to see more content like this, a day in the life of Alan Avi, drop a big thumbs up. It lets me know. Leave a comment down below if you guys have any feedback, any recommendations on what I can do to improve the vlogs and whatnot, man. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, enable notifications for more content like this. It's been your boy Alan Avi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.